Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I wish to share with you guys some few reasons why your nails do break. So the first reason is iron deficiency. It's always good to add the iron into your nutrition, to incorporate the habit of adding iron into your diet. Like when you want to eat, make sure to balance your diet with iron. There are so many foods and fruits that contain iron. Like for instance, you have chicken, you have beef. That's the first reason. And the second reason is constant nail polish does break your nails. I'm kind of guilty because I constantly apply nail polish on my nails, but at times I do allow my nails to breathe. It is always good to allow your nails to breathe for some few days. Like when you remove your nail polish, allow your nails to breathe for some time, like 1 or 2 days. Allow your nails to breathe. Just allow your nails to breathe, and before you can apply any nail polish. And make sure that when you want to apply any nail polish, make sure to apply a base coat. A base coat, not a nail hardener. A base coat. There's a difference between a base coat and a nail hardener. Nail hardeners do break nails. Like for me, I don't use nail hardeners because they break my nails. So I just use base coat, regular base coat. The third thing is hand cream. If you don't have a hand cream, you can use your body lotion. You can use your body lotion. Make sure that your hands are always moisturized. You always like moisturize your hands. Whenever your hands are like dry, make sure to apply your lotion on your hands and rub it. Like right now I have my lotion. Oh god, I have my lotion. This is my lotion. I'm going to I just like applying it. This is my lotion, so I'm going to apply it on my hand. I'm going to massage my hand and make sure to massage my nails too, especially my cuticles. You have to treat your cuticles like your baby. You have to treat the cuticles like your baby. So that's the third reason. So the fourth reason is always incorporate the habit of adding biotin into your diet. Biotin fruit or food. For example, fish. There are so many out there, so many that contain biotin. Just eat a lot of biotin, organic, not supplements. I will say it again, supplements. People always say that takes biotin supplement, but I've never taken biotin supplement in my entire life. I incorporate the habit of eating a lot of biotin, food and fruits, iron food and fruits, calcium food and fruits. I just like make my diet to be healthy. You just need to eat healthy. If you eat healthy, your nails are going to be strong. Nails are bound to break eventually, but you can prevent them from breakage for a length of time, like let me say 6 months. You can prevent your nails from breakage for 6 months. Like right now, I don't know the last time I break my nail. It's been about a year or so that I break my nail. So I incorporate all these things in my diet. And the last thing is you want to be hydrated always. Always make sure to drink a lot of water, not alcohol. I'm not talking about alcohol or sweet. Sweet is going to make you look fat, and I know us ladies will want to have flat tummy and all that. So always drink a lot of water. A lot of water helps to hydrate your body, especially your cuticles, your fingernails, and make sure to always have your cuticle oil. You can make your own cuticle oil. I made a video about how to make your own cuticle oil at home. I will leave the link in my description box. It's very simple. Any oil of your choice, just use it daily. You can use it anytime you don't have a minimum time to use any cuticle oil on your nails. You can use it more often on your nails. When you're using more often, at times I just like, at times when I sleep at night, and I don't know, when I feel like my nails are dry, I just get up and I take my nail, my cuticle oil, this is my cuticle oil, and I'll just apply on my nails, and I'll just sleep. You just need to have, you can put in your handbag whenever you're going out. So these are the things that you need for you to incorporate in your daily life, so that your nails should have a length, a lifespan, a long lifespan to exist before breakage. And the bonus tip I'm going to give is you really need to learn how to fix your nails. I'm going to make a video about that, how to fix your nails. When it's just that I've not had a broken nail. So when I will have a broken nail recently, I will make a video on how to fix your nails. So the last bonus thing is you need to know how to fix your nails, because you can't keep on trimming your nails always. Trimming your nails always is like, nails are bound to break. That's that's the thing that people forget to understand. Nails are bound to break. But when you learn how to fix your natural nails, you can allow them to grow out, and then you file them to the normal shape that you want it to be, and then you apply a nail polish. And always, I'll repeat this, always, please, some people don't put base coat. Apply base coat before you apply any nail polish on your nail. The nail polish, they contain a lot of dyes, a lot of chemicals that destroy your nails. So you always want to apply a base coat before you apply any nail polish. So that's all for today, guys. So until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. If this is your first time that you're watching my video, make sure to subscribe and watch my other videos. I'm going to leave the link in my description box. And stay blessed, stay safe, guys. Bye. Love you guys.